Hello student, today my topic is solubility equilibrium and solubility product, that is KSP is the symbol of solubility product. The solubility of the substance in water depend upon the several factors, therefore all substances are not equal soluble in water. I repeat, all substances are not equally soluble in water. The salt like NaCl, KCl, AgNO3, etc. dissolve to a large extent in water. On the other hand, there are several substances whose solubility in the water is so small that they are termed as insoluble or sprangly soluble substance. Some examples of sprangly soluble substances are silver chloride, that is AgCl, barium sulfate BaSO4, lead chloride PbCl2, and silver bromide, that is AgBr, or zinc sulfide ZnS. When a sprangly soluble salt is dissolved in water, only a very small part of it dissolve and dissociate into ions. In a saturated solution which is not dissolved completely is a saturated solution of such salt. The salt not dissolved completely in that solution is known as saturated solution of that salt. The ions from the solid is equal to the rate of precipitation of ions from the saturated solution. The equilibrium can be follows as undissolved salt is equal to ions in solution. They are equal in the solution, undissolved salt also and ions in the solution also. So for example, sprangly soluble salt, that is AgCl, is dissolved in water. We have, according to law of equilibrium, we have a product as a numerator and reactant as the denominator. This AgCl dissociated in this form, that is the product. And since the undissolved salt is present in the solid state, its concentrated can be regarded as the constant. Therefore, we have this ionic form into the concentrated form, that is the constant, that is KSP, that is the solubility product. So, in the solubility product is what? When this ion dissociated into the solution. So, KSP is the solubility product. The quantity on the right hand side of above equation, that is the product of the concentration of ion, called ionic product. Therefore, the solubility product is equal to the ionic product in the saturated solution. Let us generalize the concept of solubility product. Suppose a sprangly soluble salt AX and BY is dissolved in water to form a saturated solution. Saturated solution, these ions are not dissociate completely. That is the saturated solution. The equilibrium thus obtained can be represented by AXBY in the solid form. When get dissociated into ion, then the A become the Y ion and B become the X ion. So according to the law of equilibrium, we have product in the numerator and reactant as the denominator. So these ions are equal to reactant, which is constant, that is KSP. On the basis of above equation, solubility product may be defined as following. The solubility product of sprangly soluble salt at given temperature is the product of the concentration of ions in the saturated solution, with each concentration term raised to the power equal to the stoichiometric coefficient of the corresponding ion. The stoichiometric coefficient become the charge or become the power of that particular ion. The expression of solubility product for some sprangly soluble salt are BaSO4 have solubility product Ba and SO4, and ZnS have solubility product Zn and S2. So my question is for today, what is solubility product? Thank you.